welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to do a review on the Neewer camera stabilizer, the 24-inch. Retails for $70 on Amazon. I was not sure whether this was going to be a good deal or not, but taking it out of the box, I'm pretty impressed with the quality and the construction of it. It's carbon fiber shaft, your standard, standard screws for mounting the camera, your 1/4 inch and whatnot. Comes with 6 different weights. You'll have to use, at least 1 on each side, so you can balance it out. So you can have 3 on each side. It comes with a nice little carrying bag. The only thing I have to say about this bag is it like just barely fits in. It's like, it's snug. It kind of wish it was a hard case, but whatever. All right, so now we're gonna kind of show you how this thing works and how to stabilize the camera. First, this mounting plate unscrews on the side here, right on the side, and pull this off, the faceplate off. And then we have to get a camera, this Nikon camera, and we mount it to the base plate. Make sure you have like a screwdriver, if you have a coin. It'll mount on kind of like this. And it attaches to the top, and then tighten the set screw on the side. Tightening, tightening, tightening. Okay, it's on. So, if you pick it up just like this, it's going to go everywhere. Why? Because we don't have weights on it. So, next thing we have to do is put weights. Take the camera off, because I don't want this to kick out. And the camera goes on the ground. Okay, so quickly, we'll unscrew the nut from the bolt. I'm going to go with 1 weight because that camera's not that heavy. So we'll see what it does from there. If not, you're going to have to add a weight. The weight, add the weight, add the weight, add the weight. For as many weights as they give you twice the amount of threads. So I think that you don't really need all that. Okay, so there it is, minus the camera. So we'll put the camera on the top base. We lock it in with the side set screw, like so. Alright, now here's the deal. We pick it up to balance it. Let's see which way we got to go with it. Okay, it's going every which way. So this is way overbalanced. The camera's too heavy. Let's try and slide the base plate back a little bit. I do have it pretty far forward. See what that does. Okay. Alright, let's see what that does. Of course, yep, that's way too much. I think what I have is I have this camera way too up front on this base plate. So I am sliding it almost all the way back. Alright, now we're gonna get in business here. Okay, we got this set. Raise it up. Okay, now it's way back top. Backwards. That's okay. That's what we're here for. We're here to calibrate it and make sure we don't have any mistakes. So we'll just slide it a little bit forward because it's still top heavy in the back. Okay, just about ready to go forward. So what we're going to do is we're going to slide just a little bit back because less is more. Okay, and we're going to lift it up, and now it wants to go back. So we're going to slide it just a little bit forward there. Okay, now pick it up. Okay, it wants to go back. So in this case, we do have to adjust the bottom piece, which I probably should have did in the first place. So we're going to pull this out just a little bit, just so get a little bit of weight on this. Well, it's okay. The shaft is too heavy, so it's spinning it. We want it to come down about, we want about 2 seconds of a delay before it actually hits 90 degrees. So 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi. Oh, so close. It's so close. Give it a little pop. Little pop. Okay. Hold it up. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi. I don't like that because I have to I had to say it a little bit fast. So give it one little pop. Take it back up. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi. I'm happy with that. So we'll set it back down on the table, pick it back up. Okay, that looks pretty good. As you can see, it's going every which way, still staying pretty level. So when we adjust this, make sure your front and back weight are in line with your front of the camera and the back of the camera. This one is, I tweaked it just a little bit. So that's kind of my fault. So now see, we have that because it's not in line with the camera anymore. So what we're going to do, there is a side bracket that unclamp and slide the base plate over right or left, and we're going to go right or left just a hair, just a hair. Pick it up, set it back down, pick it up. Okay, it still wants to tilt a little to the right, so we are going to slide it over again to the left, and actually when I undid it, it popped over. So pick it up again. It's pretty good. I think it's pretty good if I don't keep hitting it with my finger. It takes a lot of practice for a Steadicam, you know. It's just, you'll get it. And I still want to keep pushing it with my finger, and you're not. All right, picking it up. All right, that's pretty level. I could probably go back. I think I want to go back just a smidge more. And this calibration seems like it's a lot to do, but once you get it in line and everything lined up, it doesn't take you very much longer to calibrate it when you do it. So, okay, that's pretty good. So we can move that around. Do this, move this around. I think we're good here. So every time, the bad thing is, you know, with the stabilizer is what is on it now is that's how it's gonna be. You know, this is balance. So if I add a strap, if I add a mic to it, you know, if I change out the lens, I gotta redo this all again. That's the only bad thing. You know, it takes more time. But if you have the same lens, same camera that you're going to use for your camera stabilizer, you can pretty much have this preset to what you're going to do. So I don't even use this camera. I use the camera that I'm filming with now. So if I was using that, I would use these weights probably. Use one weight in front, one weight in the back, and what you should do with this is, because when you have to store it in this bag, you have to loosen the shaft up and decompress the shaft and make it smaller. Well, now that messed up your settings. So what I do is I found what my setting was. I took a black Sharpie and I just went right around here. So when I pull it out of the bag, I just unloosen this, pull it out, find my Sharpie spot, tighten it back up, and then I set everything back up onto the camera. I put my camera onto the base plate. I adjust it. I do the micro adjustments. I don't mark anything on here because it's just more fine-tuned. And so that's just a quick way of just kind of getting rid of all the BS that's down here, and you just focus up here and do your micro adjustments. So I think we need to film with this. I think we need to get some film footage. I'm not going to use this camera because this camera is an old Nikon and it only does about 5 minutes of video. So we're going to shoot on that. Subscribe down below. Like it if you like. Dislike it if you like to. Whatever. Make comments. Not too hateful. My third video, first review. So have a good day.